I was elected to represent the citizens of Pittsburgh, not Paris.
Sounds like someone who's never spent any time in Pittsburgh.
When President Trump used Pittsburgh to really justify pulling out of the Paris Agreement, I have to tell you, our office, half the people practically fell off of their chairs.
I think the kind of overwhelming sentiment in Pittsburgh was keep our city's name out of your mouth. You know, when people come here for the first time, you hear a lot of, I can't believe how pretty it is. It hasn't been, you know, hell with the lid off for decades now.
There certainly are diehard Pittsburghers that still live in the previous steel economy, but I think that's becoming more and more scarce. Environmental responsibility has always been a big part of East End Brewing's mindset. We only recently had to finally break down and get a dumpster. We ran about 11 years without a dumpster here. We would just make a small bag of trash about once a week. Pittsburgh is thriving. Pittsburgh is booming. The changes that have happened here in the last 5 years alone are absolutely breathtaking.
Thread takes waste from the poorest countries in the world and turns it into purpose-filled, high-performance fabrics and textiles for apparel and footwear brands. We think it is very possible to solve huge issues around climate change, around environmental problems, and around the social aspect of things like solving poverty. I would say not just here, but I think that there is a growing understanding that the resources we have to work with are limited.
Pittsburgh still has a very strong manufacturing base, so those roots of our industrial past are still here. We manufacture wind turbines and microgrid systems that incorporate wind energy and solar energy to run things like businesses and homes, and in fact running the lighting on this bridge.
It's affordable, people are very supportive, and I think that there is a legacy of people wanting to see things be created and made and have success come out of Pittsburgh.
If you're producing a local product and it's something that local people like, everyone in the city is an advocate for you. The support that Pittsburghers throw to the local producers, local makers, is nothing short of incredible.
We take great pride in being progressive, and we've fought long and hard to leave our kind of industrial smoky heritage in the past. So to get that kind of international recognition was really unfounded and unwarranted.